explain how did I do for this assignment. First, let's run the code. Let's try some numbers. First, let's try 19. It's a happy prime number. Then let's try 10. It's a happy non-prime number. And let's try one more. Let's say 999. It said it's a sad non-prime number. So what I did is I wrote a main function, and it includes 4 levels. So the first function is to get a number function, and then check the number if it's happy or not. And next function is check prime, and last one is print out the number. So these are my top level functions. In my check happy function, I also need to get the sum of the squares of the number's digits. So I wrote another function called getSum, which is my second level function. For the other question, how did I determine if the number is sad? So I wrote it's in my check happy function. And the logic behind is after we enter a number, as long as it's not equal to 1, I created a check number list and put the number in it, and then I will run a while loop. In the loop first, I need to get the sum of the squares of the number's digits. And then I check if the sum number in my check number list. And if this sum number is not in it, I will append it to my check number list, and I will run this loop continually as long as the sum number is not equal to 1. And if we get a new number, sum number, and it's in the check number list, which means the loop will run endlessly in a circle that does not include 1. And then it will return false, which means the number is a sad number.